Welcome to the Clermont Victoria Hotel. This is a video by Mida Travel, and today we are exploring the beautiful Clermont Hotel. This hotel was designed by James Thomas Knowles and was opened in 1862 as the Grosvenor Hotel. It serves itself as a railway hotel and it is adjacent to the Victoria train station and boasts links to the Circle, District and Victoria Underground lines. This hotel boasts stunning tea rooms with beautiful floral displays all throughout the hotel. It's been designed in a way to bring that grandeur and ambiance back to what we know as Victorian London. So our room was on the 7th floor of this hotel. We were in the new part, which gave us great views over the city. However, to get to our room took quite a while. We had to take 2 lifts and walk through countless corridors, which wasn't bad for us. We enjoyed looking at the old features of the hotel. However, if you do have mobility issues, you should tell them on check-in so they can put you in a lower floor. Welcome to our room. We loved this room. This was a deluxe room, 1 king bed on the 7th floor. It cost £358 per night, but we think that was money well spent as it really gave us the luxury feel. A fantastically comfortable bed, really clean room, lots of light and a great air conditioning unit. The one thing that let this hotel down was unfortunately the bathroom. Even though it was a lovely bathroom, we didn't feel it was a 5-star bathroom. The bathtub was so high we tripped getting in and out, and it just didn't feel like it corresponded with the room. We loved these little extras, the free crisps, the free sweets and the free drinks. And also it came with a menu for the room, and within that menu was actually a pillow menu that if you wanted to select different pillows, you could. So the hotel comes with an array of bars and restaurants. This is the Soak Bar, very modern, very well appointed and such a beautiful bar. They also have the Reunion Bar, which is just on the staircase. That is more of your ambient cocktails, champagne bar, very beautiful. And of course they have the breakfast dining room in the morning, stunning place. Everything you can think of for breakfast, tea, coffee, drinks, served to your table with a beautiful selection for breakfast. So thank you for watching this video by Mida Travel. We hope you enjoyed it. Please click on the subscribe and like buttons below.